What's good, DJ? What's good? Good afternoon. It is Saturday, June 7th. The time is currently 12:54 p.m. We're about to close our week out, do a weekly performance review, and be done. Another great week in front of the markets, in the charts, learning, growing, getting 1% better. It's just been an incredible week. But anyway, let's jump straight into it. Before we go ahead and close our week out, let's talk a little bit about Friday's PM session trading and see what setups were there, and then we can go ahead and finish the week and be done. So we ended here by we ended here. So we'll do a little back test and sesh up the remainder of the day and see where the setups were at. This is where we ended at. Came down. Oh, so we took it. Oh. Daily range established for the PM session. That was a PM session daily range going into the PM session. We opened in a premium. No trading zone though. Opened in the premium. Keep going higher and higher. Yeah, I think it was a 15-second chart. Opened, broke out of the dealing range to the buy side there, taking buy side. Yeah, that was a nice. This was AM session buy side, a nice trade on the 15-second post 215. So nothing for the initial open. Actually, hold on a minute. Opened. Let's go back here. I see you on the 30-second too. I'm talking about nothing in the initial open, but didn't pay attention. Okay, so we opened, we got a sell in a premium. It failed. Yeah, let's show it in there. Because it's the same setup here. This is the tiny fair value gap on the 15-second chart. It failed. Once it failed, I want to see this keep price higher, inverted price, buy in a premium. Okay, and obviously we had liquidity above price, and also we also have dealing range buy side. So, nice. So what I'm noticing really is that the initial kickoff of the session, there will be a setup there that will take you to the next stage, or the next stage might be a continuation of the first stage. No. Okay. Good thing I started from 1:30 because all I saw when I initially looked at it, I just saw this bar. Start 1:30 p.m. session. We had a good sale. Boom, in the premium. I would have engaged in that. That would have been a good trade for me to engage in. Once it failed, by taking that high there, would want to see this buy model 2 in premium, which was a pro trend trade, so it would be managed regularly. What was the sorry, I know I put it there, but I wasn't really paying attention. Oh, terminus was hit. Nice. -4. And then post 2 p.m. We didn't have any news anyway. 2:15, post 2:15, we take AM session buy side there. This was a beautiful trade though. All right, okay. I didn't notice that, but that was nice. I see you. Anyway, this, I'm not sure if there was any news post 3 p.m. Really, nothing really. But anyway, I would have sold this as a trade here. Fair enough, would have been wrong there. But also had high right here. So when we broke out of it, This would have been a trade, would have failed. Then we break out of the dealing range to the buy side. Nothing happens here. Key high, swing high, displacement, fair value gap here. Even if you didn't see that one, give you another opportunity. Swing high, key high, swing high, displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap here. A plus. Two opportunities there on the 15-second to partake in that move. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see how much that offered you. Let's go with the initial first one. This would be my first swing point because the swing points I want to take you into get typed in. It gives you the first trade, -5. Boom. Second one. -5 as well. Solid trading. So we had the initial 130 to 210 trade, which was right here. Then post 215 to 310. We had this trade here. Obviously, we had this, would have failed on that one. Then we had this one after breaking out by dealing range to the buy side. So then our dealing range would be here to end the day. Okay. Nice. Wild West. I guess that's how it ended. Still some pretty neat setups up in there. All right. So now I'm learning how to navigate and manage it. Okay. So I won't be trading it on my ends account, but I'll have it a separate account where I'll allow myself to trade more riskier trades and more riskier times to trade. And just like a free for all account type shit. But anyway, that's it. That was how Friday ended. Let's go ahead and close out our week and then get on with the rest of our Saturday. So going into this week, last week's lessons and mistakes, not following my protocol of not trading post holiday. My focus going into this week was making sure I stick to my procedures and protocols, paying attention to dealing range breakout trades and timing of trades. I did pay attention to those dealing range breakout trades. Feelings going into this week, this current week that we're talking about. This was initially yesterday, not last weekend when I was doing my review. My feelings going into this current week was feeling really good going into this week, looking forward to collecting more data and growing. All right, so anyway, so my initial program going into the week was a buy program. My expectations going into this week, let's go over that and see how that played out. I'll need this. Let's go with my expectations, which I came up with before any price action between these two red lines. Anyway, let's go. I guess this says I want to. Not I want to see the BISI keep price higher to fill in weekly and daily CB. It was this. I want to see this BISI keep price higher to fill in weekly and daily CB, which was these two, which was accomplished on Thursday, like I said. Price might want to drop into 20-day discount sell side with daily BISI. Oh, I was thinking here that might want to drop before taking buy side, but it doesn't have to. Seasonal tendency has this week rallying. And there you go. Week rallied. Cool. So that was my expectations going into the weekend. Once again, another week of expectations being met, and I'm just very happy that I'm getting the higher time frames, how I want it to be. But yeah, still more to learn, still more to go, not where I need to be yet. So, but I will celebrate the small wins when I get them. Anyway, let's go do the stats. Yeah, I don't know how I wanted to do this. This is why I haven't been doing it, because I had the two accounts going and it was kind of madness. But anyway, monthly goals 20%, which is 10K. Target weekly targets 5%, which is 2,500. Anyway, weekly profit loss and then the week No profit. 799.70. My account balance is, we're looking at 5602.80. Account drawdown. I'm not in drawdown right now though, so oh, so it'll be plus 602, I guess. Yeah, 628. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Cool. So chart, let's get our snapshots. Optional. Just growth in it. Just mad growth. Switching contracts here now. Yep. That's what that means. Yep. At least Trading View lets me know. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, because that's one thing that I was like, I need to do a better job of keeping track of when that happens. But if I can make it easier on myself, why the hell not? Shit. Really not too much to remember and thing. Work smart, not hard, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Yeah, I want to see the last 20 days. What is 20 days saying? Rotation, up close, week closed up. Low of the week was what? Monday. Monday low of the week. From Sunday opened. Gap down. Really quick. All right. What I did well this week What did I do well this week? I would say showed up. Every day and got 1% better elected. Oh shit. Collected more data models, gained experience. Showed discipline. I can never spell this word. Oh, I got it down. Showed discipline in following my procedures and protocols. And also managed risk very well, I would say. Yeah, so show discipline in following my procedures and protocols and also manage risk. Well, show discipline in managing risk as well, I would say. What else did I do well? That will be it. We'll keep it short and sweet there. Why did I fall short this week? Wake up time. Another week has been a wake up time. I did fall short. This week was bad. This week was bad. Wake up time. Market, that's pretty much it. Market wise, I don't think I fell short anywhere. Followed everything that I was supposed to. Didn't trade post AM session Wednesday. Um, every trade that I took the week, I would take again. So, yeah, yeah, it would just be wake up time. Unless you remember something that I don't, DJ, you let me know. But other than that, it would just be wake up time on where I fell short. If I can think of something before we end, I'll think of it. But yeah, I think it was a great week. How can I improve for next week? You've shown up. You've shown up. I'm sticking to processes and don't let short term adversity deviate from the goal, the target. Um, keep showing up, keep sticking to the model and processes. Don't let short-term adversity deviate from the goal. How else I can improve for next week is make sure to implement any new changes to model procedures. Because I did adjust something in terms of managing pro-trend trades and counter-trend trades differently. So that needs to be made clear somewhere on this paper here. So yeah, and I think that will be it. How else can I improve? That's pretty much it. Keep it short and sweet. DJ, that's it. Another incredible week in front of the markets. Every week has just been incredible, and I feel like the growth has just been immense. 1% is just compounding and it's just reaching new levels, new heights that I never thought. Well, I thought I knew I could get here, but it was just getting here now is just it's just been an amazing journey, and I'm very happy and pleased with my performance this week and how I've been performing consistently. Is just yeah, I have no complaints whatsoever. Excited for another week in the market next week. We looked at our schedule before we left Friday for next week, looking like, well, we don't know what Monday and Tuesday are saying on Econo Day, but right now it's just looking like it's gonna be late trading Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Got CPI and PPI. So we got a schedule for next week. Gonna do my weekly analysis maybe today, maybe when I'm done here, or Sunday. I got time this weekend, so I'll just get it done and it'll be done. But other than that, that's us wrapping up another incredible week, another amazing week of getting 1% better, growing, improving, just becoming the trader and becoming a better trader and analyst. And yeah, that's it, DJ. I'll catch you on the flip side to next week. All right, we'll be back at it, kicking off Monday. Even if there's no news, I'll see. I'll see what Econo Day is saying. If there's no news, I might not be here, but if there is news, I'll be here. But yeah, Tuesday will kick off though, if anything. If Monday doesn't have any news, Tuesday definitely I'll be here regardless of news or not. But yeah, that's for tomorrow's decision to make. So yeah, DJ, that's it. Wrapping up here. I'm the trader signing out. As always, good luck, good trading, happy hunting, motherfuckers.